Namaste and welcome to my channel Creativity of Gayatri. Today I am going to show you how you can prepare Krishnaji's crown at home easily and in a simple way. So before going to start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my video. So let's get started. The basic requirement which is required a paper and a decorative items and a cloth. This is a normal sheet you have taken, any sheet which is a little bit thicker than paper, normal paper, so that it will be helpful to support the cloth and it create a shape for the crown. For that purpose I have taken this paper first. And I make it as I'll cut it in front side, we need to cut little bit, then we make it as a round. And here I'm just showing you how you can make the pleat, and then you have to turn. It's like a pagri kind of thing. So this way we are preparing this crown. This way you need to do so that it will be covered to that paper, this cloth. Here I'm not stitching that one, I'm just simply showing you. And here I have taken this lace, which if you have viewed my previous video, there I have used this lace to prepare the Kanhaji dress. For that purpose, here also the crown also I am doing the same way to matching with that dress. So this lace I need to stitch it so that in the pleats upper part it will be there, and it looks attractive also. So here I am stitching it. In hand also, in machine also you can use to stitch it, but little bit only, so I prefer to stitch in hand only. So it's almost done. So after stitching the lace, you need to fold it from both sides like this cloth. This way how I am doing it here. For secure purpose, I am here stitching this pleat so that it will be not like making any trouble if I'll make it round, because if you stitch it, it will be sticky, and you don't need to worry about like it will be like opening or something. So it will be like this only. So I make it stitch over here. See how here I am doing from both sides. You can stitch this way, and then you just make it a circle kind of thing according to the measurement of your Kanhaji's head. So you have to take the measurement and how it will be like, you make it weight so that it will be proper size, then you can stitch it accordingly. Now I am taking this paper, which one I like earlier I did it. So this paper is for creating a proper shape of this crown. So for that purpose I am using this one inside of this crown. And now I am going to decorate it with some pearls and some stone chains and one kundan, like that I am just doing it, and some beads. This way you can decorate it according to your choice. This is very simple, and within 3 to 4 minutes you can do it. So this way you can prepare it. This is the stone chain which I am taking and I am pasting all over this ground. So this is the way I'm decorating it. You can see from back side also this stone I'm just pasting it, and here I'm decorating again this with this kundan, the small kundan I have pasted in the middle, and I'm decorated it and with some pearls. So here my Kanha's dress is almost ready now. You can see here. So that's all for the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.